Welcome to this detailed breakdown of Queensland Country Bank. If you've been searching for a reliable, straightforward review of their services and terms, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll unpack their terms of service, outline their major advantages and disadvantages, and evaluate whether this bank is the right fit for your needs. Queensland Country Bank is one of Australia's prominent customer-owned banks, offering a range of services including everyday accounts, savings accounts, loans, and insurance. The unique appeal? It's owned by its members, not shareholders, which means profits are reinvested into better rates, services, and community support. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Advantages: membership benefits. As a customer-owned bank, profits are redirected to members through competitive rates and lower fees. Community support. The bank actively invests in local projects, making it a good option for those who value giving back. Flexible products. Their range includes personal loans, home loans, and specialized savings accounts tailored for various life stages. Transparency. They maintain clear fee structures, sparing customers the hidden cost sum. Larger banks impose disadvantages. Limited physical branches. If you prefer in-person banking, Queensland Country Bank's presence is concentrated in certain areas of Queensland. Technology gap. While their digital banking tools are functional, they might lack the innovation and features of larger competitors. Membership requirement. Opening an account requires you to become a member, which could feel restrictive compared to mainstream banks. Service costs overview. Queensland Country Bank is known for low-cost accounts, with everyday account fees starting from zero for basic transactions. For home loans, interest rates typically fall within 4 to 6%, depending on the product. However, early exit or withdrawal fees can apply to specific loans, so always read the fine print. Customer support. Their customer service is often praised for being personal and approachable. You can reach them via phone, email, or in-branch support. Whether you're looking for an affordable banking solution or value a community-focused institution, Queensland Country Bank could be worth exploring. Got value from this breakdown? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest banking reviews.